Alright, so we are in section 9.3 where we are graphing and writing equations of circles. The definition of a circle is the set of all points x and y in a plane equidistant to a fixed point, which is called the center. The radius happens to be the distance between the center of any point of the circle. For today, the equation, the standard equation of a circle with the center at the vertex 0, 0 can be written as x squared plus y squared equals r squared, where r in this case equals the radius. So for example, say we had a circle that had a radius of 3, it'd be written as x squared plus y squared equals 9. Okay? So first off, in these examples, I want to be able to graph the equation. Also, I want to identify what the center of the circle is. So before I can even graph this circle, I must be able to identify what the radius is. And since I have 25 equaling r squared, if I take the square root of 25, my r is going to equal 5. And this is how we can plot the points in order to make the circle. I can go from my center, knowing this is from the origin 0, 0, and go 5 units on all sides of my x and y axis. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plot it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plot it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plot it here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plot it here. So when I make the circle, it hits all of those points on my graph. Okay? For example B, I have x squared minus 12 equals a negative y squared. It's very important to make sure that you put it in standard form. Standard form is that whole x squared plus y squared equals r squared form. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides, and I'm also going to add a negative y squared to both sides. So then that gives me a x squared plus y squared equals 12. So here we know that r squared equals 12, and if we take the square root of 12, it ends up being roughly 3.5. So again, doing the same thing like we did in example B, I'm going to go 3.5 from my center. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3.5, 1, 2, 3.5, 1, 2, 3.5, 1, 2, 3.5. And I'm going to plot those points here. Okay. Last thing we're going to do is, I'm going to give me some more room, is I want to be able to write the standard form of equation of a circle with the given radius and assuming that the center is at the origin. So I'm still going to use my x squared versus y squared equals r squared equation. Knowing that r is 7, I take the square of 7, and it's going to be x squared plus y squared equals 49. For b, I know that r equals 2 times the square root of 9. So what I do know is that 2 times the square root of 9, if I were to square that, it would give me 4 times 9, which equals 36. And here I will be able to write x squared plus y squared equals 36. And that is being able to write the equations in standard form of a circle. Hope this helps. Until next time.